NannyBlack-Bee, reading a book from the Hive. Today's book is going to be
Midnight Tiger, written by Gillian Lobel, illustrated by Helen Lazar. Out in the dark, under the moon, the midnight tiger prowls alone. Soft through the jungle, he pads along, then swishes his tail and sings his song. And all the creatures shiver and shake and crouch in their hollows wide awake. And birds in their nests hide under their wings, for none dare sleep when the tiger sings. Then down to the shining midnight pool, where fishes swim in a silver shoal, the tiger steals, and only the flare of his scarlet eye tells there's a tiger sneaking by. Quick is his paw as the lightning flash. The water breaks like splintered glass, but the tiger growls as his shining prey flick their tails and dart away. Then through the flickering grass he glides, and silent as a snake he slides into a glade of silver trees and watches in the gentle breeze. The midnight butterflies dance and play, green as grapes and bright as day. A shadow shrieks in the glittering night and drifts like a ghost through the silver light. But she dare not face the blazing eye of the midnight tiger stalking by, for he has a promise he must keep before the stars drift home to sleep. High on a rocky slope he springs, then lifts his head and softly sings. And there in the shadows gleam golden eyes of a tigress who hears his lonely cries. Together they sing till the moon goes down and the stars are vanished one by one. And the midnight tiger pads slowly home, and into his head there comes a dream of warmth and food and a place to sleep. A few more steps, a mighty leap, and tiger slides from the faded night into a world of warmth and light. Look, Timmy's back, the children cry, and the midnight tiger breathes a sigh and rolls on his back while the children stroke his downy fur, his stripy coat. Then after a saucer of golden cream, he curls up tight to sleep and dream of the midnight tiger who prowls alone out in the dark under the moon. That was Midnight Tiger, written by Gillian Lobel and illustrated by Helen Lazarin.
Now, if you like that story, then why not subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can hear another story from me, NannyBlack-Bee. Hit up the socials and I will see you in the next video. Bzz for now.